Would you believe it if I tell you this amala was not made with yam powder? This is low calorie amala. 2 wraps of this amala is only 140 calories. That is next to nothing. Very easy to make, delicious with your soup. This is the last of my abula series. Let's get right into it.
Place for intercontinental dishes. Oh my yum. Why not try some good drinks and snacks with oh my yum?
Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. For this recipe we're going to be making use of eggplant. Yes, eggplant. They're super low in calories and they are high in fiber, so make sure to clean your eggplant. You can make use of aubergine as well, that is also good. Make sure to clean it like you normally do with all your other fruits, and then you're going to go ahead to be slicing it. You're going to love this recipe, especially if you're trying to lose weight or trying to manage your weight, because you can eat and be full without feeling guilty. You wouldn't have consumed so much calories, and at the same time you will get all the benefits that this eggplant brings to your body. If you don't already know, eggplants are a good source of vitamin C and vitamin K, potassium. They're a good source of antioxidant. They're good for your heart, they're good for your blood sugar, they're good for your digestion and weight management. After slicing, you're going to place your sliced eggplant into a pan. This is 520 grams of eggplants, and this is going to make me 2 wraps of amala. You're going to be coming in with some water. This is 1 cup of water, and after that you're going to cover and allow your eggplant to boil. You're going to boil it until it becomes nice and soft. If you're still watching, thank you so much for watching this video. Please do not forget to leave me a comment, like and subscribe. Now you're going to transfer your cooked eggplant into a blender. If your blender cannot withstand hot things, please allow it to cool down. Mine can, so I went straight ahead to pour it into a blender, and you're going to blend it. Blend your eggplant until it is nice and smooth like this, and this is what we're looking for, the consistency that we're looking for. Next, you're going to transfer it into a pan again, and this is the last stage of the cooking. At this point your eggplant is really cooked, but we have to add the thickener to it, and we're going to be using this psyllium husk. This is soluble fiber and it is edible, and it will just bring everything together nicely. For the psyllium husk, I used 1.5 tablespoons of psyllium husk, and you're going to make sure to sprinkle that. Please do not dump it in one spot because they tend to want to form a lump, so you need to sprinkle it over your eggplant paste. Turn the heat back on to medium heat, and you're going to begin to stir it and turn it around like this. Make sure you're very quick, especially at the beginning, because you do not want your psyllium husk to form big lumps in your amala. You're going to continue to mix until everything comes together nicely like this, and there you have it. Your amala is ready at this point. At this point, your amala may feel soft and a bit light. Do not worry, it is going to get firmer as it gets cooler. The 520 grams of eggplant gave me 2 wraps of amala this size, and this is just 70 calories per wrap, and I will be enjoying this with my soup. Enjoy this with whatever soup you like. It doesn't have to be the abula soup alone. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Oh my